Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to another amazing episode of our Python tutorial series. And it's been a while since we posted. We apologize. And we want to kickstart this return with our VLOGMAS series, which we do every December for a 25-day period. And it's already been 2 days down the line. Today's our third day in the last month of the year 2021. And want to kickstart our VLOGMAS series with this simple tutorial. And it's this: you've ever found yourself wondering how to get information or find some documentation on certain keywords, certain modules, certain packages you're using in Python, and you ever stuck? Now, the easy way to do that is always try to get help or try to get documentation. There are various ways of doing that. One is to either visit the package URL or its web and then try to get the information. Then another option is to just use the help method. So you just type in your help and then you pass in the search term. So for instance, in this case, we are trying to get information on the print. So we search for the print. To help on print, we provide the documentation on print with all the use pattern, how to use it, which arguments to pass into the function itself. Now, the next alternative is to use just the question mark and then your search term. So maybe I'm searching for print. So I proceeded with the question mark and then just get the information on that. And so there's alternative 2. And the third alternative, which works with Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, and then I believe other text editors and code editors when it comes to Python, is just to type in your keyword or your search term. For instance, in this case, using a print method. So I type in the print and then with my open parentheses or brackets in there, and then I just hit my shift plus the tab. And that provides the documentation as a doc string right here, which I can find exactly the same detail as we did find for the other alternatives. And this is where we end today's tutorial. I believe you've learned something new and definitely going to put this into practice. Just stick with us this whole 25-day series and you definitely would find new ways and tips and tricks on using certain functionalities in Python. Thanks for being here with us. Do have a wonderful day. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, like, share within your network, and then leave a comment. If you have any question, just leave it as a comment and the team will definitely address it. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.